Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a PDF file from images using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software and click this tools option. Here you will find this create PDF option. Click here create PDF and select here multiple files or single files. I will select multiple files and select combined files. Now click next, add file and upload your JPG images. So JPG images and now click open. This JPG image is already open and now you can move these JPG images. Also you can delete and finally click combine. Wait few seconds. Okay. A new PDF file already created from images. And finally click file option, save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.